Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to install the canopy and tray set from L&G Chivalry step by step. Before starting the installation, you need to remove the original rear component. Step 1. Install 3 metal brackets. Ensure they are vertical to the vehicle body and at the same level. If they are not level, use metal blocks to raise them. Then lightly secure the 3 brackets with the screws, nuts, and washers from the accessories, but do not fully tighten them as you'll tighten them later. Step 2. Mount the tray onto the brackets, just like this. Now you can tighten the screws. Next, drill out the mounting holes for the tray. There are a total of 12 holes on both sides. Once again, secure the tray with these screws, nuts, and washers. Same process for the rest of them. Insert the track screws into the bottom rails of the tray to prepare for the later installation of mudguards and under tray toolboxes. There are a total of 16 track screws on both sides. Connect the tail light wires and test their functionality. Ensure proper wire management. And don't forget about the camera. Step 3. Place the canopy onto the tray. Drill for holes from the bottom of the tray to the bottom of the canopy. Then secure it. Step 4. Waterproof the screw holes of the toolbox. Apply some waterproof glue to the track screws as well. Install and secure the toolbox. Now you have it. Do the same on the other side. For the final step, attach and secure the mudguards. Don't forget to secure your fuel filler pipe. Congratulations, you have now completed all the installation steps.